My name is Taylor. My name is Taylor. Hey guys, my name is Taylor.
That's your burps.
Hey guys, my name is Taylor. So,
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
So guys, we got saw our dad's back today. Our dad's back. So I want to take you how. I want to touch the castle. See, that's him making me. So I really want my dad's back. So you see, I jumped down. I'll get you.
So you can't play on it. Don't put your knee on my
Yeah,
butt.
your thing is so slippery.
Yeah, so I own here that dad's back. I'm about to go here in about 4 seconds. So this is Zoe. Zoe, she keep out everyone. I love her. So cute. She's really nice.
Hey, Granny.
She's 2 years old. She's 2. Yeah, she's
I saw that video.
Karen, because she's beneath us one. So she's big. So I'm going to take you guys with.
Get up there, like that. Sit on the hot spot.
Guys, the funniest part of this video will be when Taylor burped.
Hi, Sam. You're so stupid.
Hey guys, don't worry about it. I'm good.
Your back is so.
You guys don't understand.
No, you guys, your back is so slippery. That's why. Guys, my dad will be acting crazy sometimes. He was stuck.
So, guys, I almost that sneeze.
Okay, y'all go on with me and Dookie get the storage.
Nope. So I want
They ain't got no first store.
We're gonna have to stay in the storage. But why did I didn't want us to go in the one that had no air in it?
So, guys, see.
Why?
Guys, so the one I've been talking to guys in the town. All these ones. Yeah.
But we ain't got to get dressed.
So guys, you saw that. You saw.
Guys,
It's gonna
we
be
can't wait to see the part where Taylor burped. Right, Taylor?
Yeah. So guys, I want to come to these little things so you can see the giveaway cards.
Taylor, what are you?